My name is Cosmin Diaconu, and I've studied fashion design here at Ruskin. What I've done since, I had some internships, worked on some of Beyoncé outfits, had my own brand, Retrogusto. I've been working for Levis meanwhile as well. I started as a tailor and then moved into district tailor ambassador. And also I have my own company, Repair My Denim. I always like to keep myself busy. There's never just one project. ARU has done amazing. They're really good at networking. From the year one, actually, we had live briefs. So I remember the second semester we already were working with a company. I managed to get an internship with them. Second year we had more live briefs. It was really building you for the industry, and they pushed us to collaborate, to get to know people around you. Don't just be stuck in your studio, in your class. And I think something that I've learned about the city is that it helps you making those connections. There's so much here, even though it's a small city, which I think actually helps to connect with people. There are so many opportunities within the university and out as well. There's yearly fashion show happening at Cambridge University. There's been a lot of fashion shows within the shopping centers, and again, there's a lot of small boutiques, independent ones. I've created 2 of the Beyoncé outfits for the Renaissance tour. Someone reached out to me asking some help, and so I was like, yeah, sure, let's go, let's do it. We had this massive order, hard work. Towards the end, the deadline was coming up, so we had to stay up for 26 hours to finish. It was a crazy experience. If I wouldn't have gone to uni, probably I wouldn't have done it. And I have to thank Ruskin for that as well.